Weet jy wie moet jy hoor nie, but weet jy wanneer gaan jou blessings steeko? Wanneer jy bly is vir ander mense. Wanneer jy hande klop vir ander mense se seëninge, sal jou seëninge teeko. Daai wanneer jy ander mense sien prosper in die lewe in en dan kom hy narigheid uit, hy's 'n demon. Hy is 'n vuil gees wat in jou in is, daarom kan jy nie vorentoe gaan nie. Ons moet bly is vir mekaar, hy is wat ons moet doen, en hy is wat die Here wil hê van ons af, om 'n lelike mens te is, omdat sy nie is waar sy wil is, nou sien sy ander mense op 'n plek waar sy nie is nie. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Sy is op jou eie reis, sy is op jou eie baan, en die competition moet is met die persoon wat in die spieël kyk. It must be you against you every day, not you against someone else. You must never compete. You must never compare yourself, because you must know who you are, point number one. You must know who you are, and you must stand in what and who you are. Never try to be somebody else. You must have your own personality. You must have your own way of being. Don't try to be like anybody else, because there's only one you. Huh? There's only one you. Why would you want to be somebody else?